Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin HRM Pro Plus without a watch. This smart heart rate monitor can record and store your heart rate data independently, which is perfect for activities where a watch isn't ideal. It has the capacity to store up to 18 hours of heart rate information. After your activity, this stored data automatically transfers to your Garmin Connect app when the strap is within range of your smartphone. This ensures you capture all your workout metrics effortlessly. The HRM Pro Plus truly shines in activities where a traditional watch might get in the way, such as team sports like basketball or soccer, or even swimming. While worn, it diligently records not just your heart rate, but also estimates calories burned and tracks your intensity minutes. The strap is capable of storing data from several separate activities before you need to connect it to your phone, offering great flexibility for your training schedule. Syncing your recorded data is straightforward and happens automatically. Once your activity is finished, simply open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and that your HRM Pro Plus is within close proximity. The stored heart rate data will then seamlessly and automatically upload to your Garmin Connect account, providing you with a detailed overview of your performance and progress. Using the HRM Pro Plus independently offers fantastic freedom, allowing you to focus on your activity without the distraction of a watch. You still get highly accurate heart rate data, crucial for understanding your effort and optimizing your training. Just remember to sync your strap regularly to your Garmin Connect app. This ensures you don't exceed the 18-hour storage limit and always have access to your valuable workout insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.